The layers of marine limestone on Mountain Everest, specifically the yellow band formation near the summit, contain fossils of ancient sea creatures, cementing the deep history of plate tectonics. Here are 30 more amazing facts, similar in scope, covering Earth, life, and the universe. The longest mountain range on Earth isn't on land. It's the mid-ocean ridge, a continuous underwater chain that runs for over 40,000 miles, 64,000 kilometers, through all the world's oceans. Earth's continents are always moving at about the same rate your fingernails grow, thanks to plate tectonics. The vast majority of all the gold ever mined in history would fit into a single cube, roughly 21 meters, 69 feet on a side. There's more fresh water stored in glaciers and ice caps than in all the lakes and rivers on Earth combined. If you could fall into a bottomless hole through Earth's center, you'd experience zero gravity at the exact center, and it would take about 42 minutes to fall all the way through. The Atacama Desert in Chile is the driest non-polar desert on Earth. Some weather stations there have never recorded rainfall. The loudest sound recorded in modern history was the 1883 eruption of the Krakatoa volcano, which ruptured the eardrums of sailors 40 miles away and was heard 3,000 miles, 4,800 kilometers away. The Earth's magnetic poles constantly drift and have flipped hundreds of times throughout history, with the last major reversal occurring about 780,000 years ago. Diamonds are not formed from coal. They are forged in the Earth's mantle under extreme pressure and heat and rocket to the surface through volcanic pipes in a matter of hours. You are currently carrying around 2 to 3 pounds, 0.9 to 1.4 kilograms of bacteria in your body, most of which are beneficial to your health. The largest known organism on Earth is a single fungus, a honey mushroom, Armillaria ostoi. In Oregon, which spans 2,200 acres, 8.9 square kilometers. A day on Earth 450 million years ago was only 21 hours long because the Earth's rotation is gradually slowing down due to the moon's gravitational pull. Every day, your body produces the equivalent of one full syringe of DNA if it were stretched out and bundled together. There are microscopic organisms called endoliths that live inside rocks and even deep beneath the ocean floor, surviving by dissolving the rock around them for minerals. If you removed all the empty space from the atoms that make up every human on Earth, the remaining solid matter would fit into an apple. Bananas are berries, botanically speaking, while strawberries are not. A berry is defined as a fruit produced from a single ovary. A significant percentage of the air you breathe, especially the nitrogen, has passed through the lungs of every animal that has ever lived, including dinosaurs. The total weight of all the ants on Earth is estimated to be roughly equal to the total weight of all the humans on Earth. The human brain generates about 12 to 25 watts of power, enough to illuminate a low-power LED light bulb. The hottest planet in our solar system is Venus, not Mercury, because its thick atmosphere of carbon dioxide creates a runaway greenhouse effect, keeping its surface temperature at about 864 Circ. Text F, 462 Circ. Text C. The planet Jupiter is so large that it could hold all the other planets in the solar system combined inside its volume. The Milky Way galaxy is on a collision course with its nearest major galactic neighbor, the Andromeda Galaxy, and they are expected to crash in about 4.5 billion years. Every atom in your body, except for the hydrogen, which formed during the Big Bang, was forged inside a dying star and scattered across the universe in a supernova explosion. There are more stars in the universe than grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. It takes about 230 million Earth years for our solar system to complete just one full orbit around the center of the Milky Way galaxy. The light you see from a star 100 light years away started its journey 100 years ago, meaning you are essentially looking back in time. A neutron star is so dense that a single teaspoon of its material would weigh about 6 billion tons on Earth. Only about 5% of the universe is made up of the matter and energy we can directly observe. The rest is composed of mysterious dark matter and dark energy. The moon is slowly moving away from Earth at a rate of about 3.8 cm, 1.5 inches per year, which is why our days are getting longer. The intense pressure at the core of gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn is thought to turn carbon atoms into a rain of solid diamonds.
We'll be making more similar videos. Please subscribe.